way, in exactly 2 days I'm on the plane. So my night was not amazing. Hey, good morning guys, and welcome to a new weekly vlog. It is Monday. I am on my way to the train station because that meeting that didn't happen last week, I am having it today, but in a different city. So I am on my way to that, and the weather is again amazing. So we're on our way to get our nails done, and I've decided to go to just do like a pretty basic one, but pretty, of course pretty, but not with all the nail art. Like, can you see it? It is cat eye, by the way, but it's a little like cappuccino mocha brown. It's totally different from the last thing, but I actually really like it like this for this time. Hey guys, good morning. It is Tuesday. So today is going to be a pretty fun day. By the way, in exactly 2 days I'm on the plane. Looking forward to that. I am in the sky in 2 days. I have work in the morning, and then in the afternoon I am going to get my hair done finally. Oh my god. I'm so sick of this hair again. Crazy busy again. I am now leaving for the hairdresser in an Uber because otherwise I'm not going to make it. So rushing. Okay, hair is done, lashes are done, and now we are back to work for a little while before we can wind down for the evening. And I seriously cannot wait until we can wind down for the evening, because today has been crazy. Good morning. It is Wednesday, officially the day before we leave. It is freaking cold. I don't know what's going on, but it's freaking cold. So my night was not amazing. So if I look tired, then you know why. I have been awake since 3 a.m. Insane, okay? There are moments, there have been nights that I woke up like earlier, but then it was always like 4. But this past night, I was like awake at 3 a.m. I couldn't sleep because I knew that I could already check in my flight. You know, of course I didn't do that, but I knew that I could, so it was just excitement probably. So I think that it might not even be the worst thing, because tomorrow morning we really have to get up at 4 because our Uber is coming here at 5.